All right, good morning. Right, good morning, good morning. It is still, well, it's 8:04 now, right? Just got done with the first recording there. This time we're going to be going live, right? So allow me to set myself up, right? You know, I could do this on Facebook. I really could. I really could. I do apologize for that. Um dragging my chair just now. All right. Uh I'm conflicted. I really am. But I don't know if I want to be on Facebook or if I want to be on YouTube. I am very much conflicted. I am going to be very honest with you. I'm conflicted. All right. Let's click on Facebook and see. I'm going to see. Okay. Clicking on continue. Right. Continue as such and such. Yeah, the Facebook component, it's a little bit much to be fair and honest. It's a lot. Oh wow, okay. All right, that's a bit of a relief. A bit of a relief. Wow. Yep. Hmm. All right, hold on. Before I start anything though, let me do a. I want to do this. I want to ensure my camera is on properly. All right. All right, good. All right, it's on. It's on. Yeah, I didn't want to run the risk of doing something silly. All right. Let's see. What should I type as a description? Mm, wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm typing. I get very silent when I have an assignment to do. Oh, yeah. Don't you just love that about Firefox? The lack of emojis. All right, whatever. I don't even know, it's fine, it's fine. Let's just click on go live and see what happens. All right, give me a second here. Okay, let me apologize for yeah, I had to double check to make sure that we were actually live. So we are live. All right, we are live. So yeah, sometimes I'm a bit rusty on the details. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what it's like to go live on Facebook, leading by example. Yes. So this is your CEO slash CCO, right? Your head honcho, boss man teaching, right? And of course, the idea behind We Still a Learn is that parents, students still a learn, teachers still a learn. So in that case, all of we still a learn, right? All of we still a learn. So yes, this is an example of what it is to go live on Facebook. Now, I could have erased this. No, you see, if you notice, this is written in this way. Yeah. Even my board is representative of this is a 9 by 16. Now, if I wanted it to be more 16 by 9, I should have written it like so. But, this is when I am using the board as first person tutor and it is over there. Yeah. So I'm doing a lot of compartmentalizing. So, for example, if you're a teacher and you don't want to show your face, I can show you how to create a page like first person tutor. You don't have to call it that, by the way. You can call it whatever you want. right? And that's the whole point. You're building your brand as a teacher. So if you want to be a brand building teacher for yourself or as part of We Still Learn, yeah, I'm not in the business of I'm not Diddy. I'm not DJ Khaled. I'm not trying to take over what you do. But if you'd like me to manage it for you, again, that's not a problem either, right? But if you can manage on your own and you have your own team and all of that, that is also perfectly fine, right? So again, this is a place of flexibility, because you have a lot of places that they're going to look at you and say, oh, we want our lesson plans by Friday. We want our lesson plan by this day and this day. And, you know, I, imagine that there's a We Still Learn school, which is what I'm really trying to do. I'm trying to create my own version of a school where if you're working with me or me or whatever you want to call it, and let's say there's an interview process, and you say, do I need to send you weekly lesson plans? My answer to that will be no. In fact, some of them will be written for you, and you can edit them if you want.